AstroAI Corporation has been making waves in the tech world, offering products that promise both quality and value. But is it really worth your money? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying anything from AstroAI Corporation, especially if you've been looking around at competitors in the market. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture, and I'll even share where you can try out their products for free. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss it. First off, AstroAI Corporation is known for providing a wide variety of smart tech products, including thermometers, portable air compressors, and automotive accessories. These products are designed to offer convenience and reliability, often priced more competitively than some big-name competitors. But here's the thing, it's not just about price. The quality of their products can really stand out if you're looking for practical solutions on a budget. Next, when it comes to customer service, AstroAI Corporation has a solid reputation, but isn't perfect. While many buyers have praised their responsive support team, others have mentioned that issues can take a little longer to resolve than some of the bigger brands like Dyson or Bosch. So, if you're someone who values fast customer service, this is something to keep in mind. On the flip side, they do offer a 1-year warranty on most of their products, which is pretty standard in the industry. The third thing to consider is product variety. AstroAI Corporation offers a solid range of tech products, particularly in the automotive sector. However, they don't have the same extensive catalog as industry giants like Garmin or Black Plus Decker. If you're looking for something very niche or cutting edge, it might be worth exploring other options. But if you need something practical like a car jump starter or tire inflator, they've got you covered at a very competitive price. The fourth thing that sets AstroAI apart is its attention to detail. While their competitors may focus on high-end features or complex tech, AstroAI aims for simplicity and ease of use. Their portable air compressors, for instance, are extremely user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces that anyone can operate. You won't be buried in complicated instructions or endless buttons, just a straightforward product that gets the job done. Moving on to the fifth thing, let's talk about durability. Now, I've personally tested some of their products, like the AstroAI digital tire inflator, and I've been impressed with how well it performs over time. Compared to similar models from other brands, AstroAI's devices hold up well under extended use, but just like any tech, it's not immune to wear and tear. So, if you're going to be using their products frequently, just ensure you're taking proper care of them to maximize longevity. The sixth thing you need to know is their pricing structure. AstroAI Corporation has an aggressive pricing model that undercuts competitors like Michelin and DeWalt. However, this lower price point doesn't necessarily mean lower quality. I've found that while some of their products might lack the premium finish or extra features of high-end brands, they still perform reliably. You get a lot of bang for your buck, which makes them a great option for people who need functional products without breaking the bank. And the seventh thing to know is that they're constantly improving. While they don't have the massive marketing budgets of some of their competitors, AstroAI focuses on customer feedback and continually tweaks its designs. This commitment to improvement means you're more likely to see updates or new releases that address past issues or add practical features. If all of this has piqued your interest, I've got a treat for you. To try out any of AstroAI's products for yourself, click the first link in the description. You'll get the best deal available and a chance to try the products for free. Don't miss out on exclusive benefits that you can only access through this link. So, to wrap things up, AstroAI Corporation offers solid products at a competitive price point, with a focus on simplicity, durability, and customer feedback. Whether you're looking for something basic or need a reliable, no-frills tech solution, they're worth considering. If you want to give their products a shot, make sure to click that first link in the description for the best offer and free trial.